Hi everyone! Today we're going to be testing this really small item from Akasa. What it is basically a 20-pin USB 3.0 port converter to a USB 3.1 port. So basically, if you've got a USB Type-C device what needs plugging into your motherboard, you can use this to convert your standard USB 3.0 port into your USB 3.1 and then plug your device into this. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the packaging. It's not much, it just says 20-pin USB 3.1 internal connector, and it shows it where it plugs into USB 3.0 socket, and then basically it gives you the cable connection so you can plug it in a USB 3.1 device. That's it, nothing else on the packet, so let's just open it up. There we go. No instructions other than what's written on the front of the packet, like we said. This is a device itself. It retails for £7.85 in the UK. That's £7.85. You can see that's the bit what plugs into the USB 3 header on the motherboard. It's got a little cap in it at the moment, but then it gives you a USB 3.1 header, which you usually use for USB Type-C devices and stuff like that. Let's just say you had a card reader what was USB Type-C or something along that lines, or USB 3.1, you can plug it into there. So basically you get your motherboard, let's say this one, it's a slightly older motherboard, and all you need to do is get this and then plug it into USB 3 header. So there's your USB 3 header there. So all you need to do is get the adapter and basically push it down into the socket, and whang bam, you've got yourself a USB Type-C or USB 3.1 header there now, which you can then use. Obviously it won't potentially give you the same speeds as USB 3.1 because that is generally faster than USB 3, but at least you'll be able to use that device if you wanted, and that's all for £7 basically 85p. So that's not pretty good. So if you wanted to do it, you just get your device. So let's just say we're going to add a USB Type-C connector onto the back of the case. You get that, and then you can just plug it directly into the adapter. If you get it the right way around, plug it into the adapter there. And it makes it nice and snug, and that's as simple as it. And now you've got yourself a USB 3.1 socket on your board, in this case a USB Type-C, and then you can basically use any devices which are USB Type-C on your computer, which you wouldn't have been able to before. So that's the bonus of having this. It basically turns your USB 3 socket into a USB 3.1 socket, so you can use newer USB Type 3.1s or USB Type-C devices.